First, you have to unpack the machine. After unpacking the machine, you have to connect the cables of the gun. Important to connect red with red, black with black, the center pin, and below the water hose pipes. After connecting the gun, you will put in the cover. And the cover is ready. After you put in the cover, you can slide in the handle, the holder of the gun. This is the holder. You just slide it in on the side of the machine. Then you can take the gun and you place the gun in a safe place inside the holder. That's the gun in the holder. Before you switch on the machine, it's very important that you use the funnel and you will fill it up with water. You just insert the pipe of the funnel in the water hole at the top until it is secure and you cannot pull out. After you insert the funnel, then you open the overflow hole down beneath. After you open it, then you have to put approximately 4.5 liters of purified water or distilled water in the funnel. When the water will overflow from the overflow hole, you put in again the knob and secure the knob. Then you put in the cable, the power cable, which you plug to the mains. You have also the foot switch, which is connected to the machine like this. With the machine, you also have 3 different filters, which is the black filter for skin rejuvenation, another filter which is longer than this one. This one is 532 filter, which is used for light colors like red and green tattoos. This one is used for black or blue tattoos, for very dark tattoos. This one is the 1064 filter. For me, to help me out, I just marked the below of the filter with a permanent marker in black, so that I will know which filter to use instantly. If you see both filters near each other, the black filter is shorter than the red filter for red tattoos. So I took the black filter and I marked it with black permanent marker so that I will know which one to use. Then next step is that you take the filter that you are going to remove the tattoo according to the color of the tattoo, and you fit it to the machine. That is ready. Next step is you put on the power. After you put on the power, then you put on the key and the machine will start. Then press enter so that the menu will show. You've got several menus, but they are practically all the same. They are there so that you will choose a specific menu and you input the settings over there, and you will keep on using the same menu with the same settings. For example, if I go on tattoo removal by pressing these buttons down here, I will see that the highlighted treatment will change. So that is tattoo removal. Then I press the enter below and you will have everything on show. On top you've got the counter, below is the frequency, it means how many shots per second, and below is the voltage, which is the power. It's preferably to start from a low power, and then you continue increasing until you find the perfect or a better power. To lower down the power, you see power minus, and below there's a button, and you will press it and you will see that the power is going down. To increase the power, you go on the up button and you increase the power. To increase or lower the frequency, you go on the down button and the frequency will change. I prefer to put it at frequency 4 Hz, that is 4 shots per second. And I prefer to start a treatment by a low power, which is 430, and then I will increase accordingly. It's very important that when you start, before you start the treatment, your client will wear goggles and you will wear the safety glasses, which will protect your eyes from laser beams. After wearing the goggles, then to start the machine, you press the simmer button, and then you see over here status, that is standby. It has to turn on to ready. So to turn it on to ready, you press enter and it turned ready. Now the machine is ready for use, and we are going to try the machine on a book which has black ink. So we take the gun slowly from the holder and we try out the treatment. I put down the book. Now it's very important that you keep the nozzle apart from the treatment area about 2 inches up. There has to be about approximately 2 inches space between the treatment area and the nozzle of the gun. Now you can operate the machine either by pressing the button on the gun or by pressing the foot switch. I prefer to use the button of the gun. So we are going to start. I put about 4 shots over there, and you can see that the black ink turned white. It's important that the ink will turn white, and maybe there will be some oozing out of blood. If not, you have to put up more energy, bit by bit. I will continue to do some treatments so that you can see. So, like that, you can see the black ink disappearing. After the treatment will be ready, you place slowly the gun and the handle and immediately turn again the machine from status ready to standby. To do this, you have to press the button, enter. I'm going to press it, and you see it on standby. Like that, the machine is on standby. Thank you very much. I hope this video was useful. Thank you. Which I didn't tell you is, it's very important that when you are ready from the machine, you don't just turn off the power from the switch, but you have to quit the machine by pressing the simmer button over here, and then you go to enter. After you press enter, you have to see this menu, and when you see this menu on the screen, then you turn off the switch. It's very important to note that there is an emergency stop. This is to be used in case of emergency, just in case there is something burning or some other emergency. You just press on this, the emergency switch, and the power will turn off. It's very important also that once a month you will change the water so that all the water in the machine will be clean. Thank you very much.